We learned that ni after a location word is the goal of movement, or the non-action verb's location. Some of the goal of movement ideas, however, are harder to understand for English speaker. For example, to write, to ask a question, to meet, or to talk to. Japanese 乗る, 聞く, and 会う, 話す are intransitive verbs, so they do not take the object marker o. I know it is strange, but they do not transfer the power and change the effect on the bus or the teacher or the friends. More like actions go towards them. If you compare this with the transitive verbs, you might see the difference. バスを直す。音楽を聴く。友達をからかう。So, if you talk about which direction the action is going toward, use に。バスに乗る。先生に聞く。友達に話す。Then, if you want to add what question you're asking to the teacher or what story you want to tell to the friend, add that with the direct object marker O. 先生にこの漢字を聞く。友達にあのことを話す。And if you want to add the location of the movement, add that with the particle で。バス停でバスに乗る。教室で先生に聞く。公園で友達に会う。